Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over what is Samsung TV Plus. So it's this icon right over here. And so if you have a new smart Samsung TV, you might have seen this icon. And so what it is that it's actually a broadcasting streaming service that's included with your Samsung TV. So in other words, Samsung TV Plus is a free ad-supported streaming service that offers live movies, TVs, and shows on demand. So it's entirely free and it's available on all smart Samsung TVs. Now with this, you don't need a subscription, you don't need to sign up with it on credit card, you don't need anything of that. It really does come with your Samsung Smart TV. Now the way that I do it is that I like to play this in the background. So I'll usually click on live TV right over here, and then I'll just choose a category of a channel that I want to watch. So most of these channels that you see right over here are based on the actual TV show. So you have Fear Factor channels, you have the Challenge channels, you have American Ninja Warrior channels, and so you can also base it off of category here on the left hand side. But all of this is included, guys, so feel free to watch as you please. Also keep in mind that they have on-demand movies and TV shows. Now this isn't going to show the newest on-demand TV shows, but you are going to get a good variety of different TV shows and movies on this tab right over here. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and explain what is Samsung TV Plus. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually explain this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.